Today, we're doing a video called Letting Our Dad Cut Our Hair Challenge.
No!
Today, we're doing a video called Letting Our Dad Cut Our Hair Challenge.
Hey, Mommy, buddy. I'm married. Why? No, I don't wanted to do this. I don't wanted to do this, Daddy. Mommy, you're trying to cut my ears off.
So first, we're going to brush his hair.
No.
Make sure it's all nice and combed and brushed.
You think you can make instructions?
Turn,
I
sir.
laugh about this.
So this haircut is going to cost 50 million billion trillion.
Buy a joke. Only £10 charged to me for me to keep it.
Okay?
I'm the tester.
You need to listen to instructions.
Why?
Come on.
This is all up. This is boring. Nobody likes this type of video. No, I'm not wanted to. One like by you. I don't wanted to do this. There was only one like by you. And nobody can prove me wrong. One star.
Maybe about 1-star rating. I'm gonna get a 1-million-star rating now.
That's not even.
And you're the one who's going to give me the 1-million-star rating.
Wait, you can't put his head full.
Nope. Should be paying me £1 million for this.
I don't even want you to do this.
Let me have the clip on. You see, when you're giving out the best haircuts in the world, and
This
the
is one of the worst.
and the clients are ungrateful.
This is one of the worst.
Excuse. Don't. You better listen. I don't want to mess up your hair. Oh, it's fading nicely. See? Should be grateful. No, I have to do that.
Ah, you're scratching me with your nails. My face. I got hair on me. I got hair on me. Oh, I don't like
So this is the after. Turn to the side. Pay up. I gave him an afro fade. Looks like my client is not very happy. I think I did a pretty good job. Guys,
Yeah.
comment and tell me what you think.
I think it looks good.
Zach, what do you think?
Out of 10, I think it's a 10. I like it. Daddy, it's not look good.
Shush! Make sure you subscribe. Now, I got my second client. What's your name, sir?
Da-na-na-na-na. My name is Da-na-na-na-na.
Yep, let's go. My second client. Who's in my barber's chair?
No! You think you're a real barber?
I am.
No, you're not. Then why are you not going in the street?
I am.
So you can do any hairstyle?
No.
So you can do some? Daddy, you're paying me the notes, remember? Avery, your hair looks clean.
So I finished this guy's trim.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's check it out. Okay, I like it.
Thumbs up. Look at this ungrateful one. You.
Subscribe to the Mansa.